So in today's tutorial, I'll be taking you through the information and misinformation about cheap phones, the UK used phones, and the second-hand phones that you buy from your favorite vendors, and where you can get them to buy, even in installments and all that. So make sure you like, subscribe. Yes, so let's get in. So most of us have been brainwashed about the UK used phones and the second-hand phones and the cheap ones. Most of these phones have been used by our own, maybe local people, Ghanaians, and even other countries, let's say India, China, and not necessarily from UK. Just that they use the name UK use, so you believe, or maybe you get convinced that the phone has been slightly used or has no issues. But here like the case, these phones, either the screen has been changed or damaged, the battery health has been pumped, the battery has been replaced, parts of the phone has been changed, so it looks almost new or maybe slightly used. But the main case is most of these phones are phones with problems and have been fixed and decorated nicely for you to get convinced and do what, and buy from them. And I think it all boils down to economic problems. So there's no issue if you want to buy UK used phones or cheap phones. Just make sure you are buying from a vendor that, in case if there's any problem, you can contact the person directly and solve the issue, or maybe ask for a refund, or let the person do what, change the phone for you or anything of that sort. Because if you buy from any vendor that you can't get access to and later you find out problems with the phone, you just have to keep the phone and you're at a financial loss, and that will be your problem. You can't come and complain to anyone over here. So before you buy these phones, make sure you are buying from someone you can trust and someone you can go to if there is any problems. Because with all you know, no matter the person, or no matter how neat or cheap or how nice the phone looks, there is always a hidden problem somewhere in the phone. If not possible, you can even find out 2 days later, 16 hours later, 3 months later, or even 1 year later, of which your mind will later tell you, or you blame yourself for maybe causing that problem of which you are not aware of, just because you've used it for 2 weeks or 1 month. So you say, oh, I bought this 1 month ago, so maybe this problem was caused by me, or I created this problem. So I just want to show you some 1 or 2 websites you can buy phones from at a cheaper price, maybe installments. So the first one I recommend is Quabuy Ghana. So Quabuy Ghana, they have installment plan. You can buy from them at a lower price, use phone with fixed faults. As it's a company, you can move to them anytime you have faults with your phone, you can just contact them directly, get your issue resolved. So you can pay in installment just with your Ghana card and maybe a minimum amount depending on the phone. They'll just give you, okay, you can pay this for now with your Ghana card and pay the rest later and come for just an agreement. And I think it works for everyone if you're on the budget. So you can get their locations. They are in Accra, Tadi, and Kumasi. Make sure you get your nearest branch and start talking to them. I think they have a free delivery with FedEx here. So if you shop with Momo, Visa, or MasterCard through their store, you just get a free FedEx delivery. But with the installment plan, you need to pay small later. I think you need to go to the office and take your phone and take your maybe your details, because you leave maybe your cards or everything with them and pay in installment. Yeah. So they also do swap and fixing of phones and all those stuff. So the second one is if you want to buy a refurbished phone, like the UK UC have been buying. I have 2 options for you. You have to pay with Visa card or MasterCard or maybe PayPal. So the first one is back market. Back market. So back market is same as your local vendors who sell refurbished phone as UK use and all those stuff. You buy from them. I think the prices are low, and all these phones, most of them are unlocked phones, so you don't have problems with maybe going to unlock your phone after buying. They don't even sell phones, so they sell phones and accessories. So they have MacBook Air over 2020 version, and starting price is at 601 bucks. I think they have PlayStation 5, they have AirPods starting at $85, and they have iPhone 13 midnight unlock starting at $382 USD. And reviews is something that you always need to check when you are buying online. So they have 718 reviews, so and it's rated 4.2 out of 5. That's a fair deal. And they have 30 days return and 1 year warranty. And they have conditions for the phones, and the conditions come with their prices. So if you want fair condition with your phone, and let's say there might be maybe scratches or something, you need to pay 398.87 bucks. But if you want it in a good condition, the price go up. And excellent condition comes with 444 baht. And you just choose your preferred storage, your color, and I think it comes with a charging cable, and that's a fair deal for you. You just need to add to cart, place an order, and make sure your identity is a valid one so they don't misplace your item when delivery is due. The next one is BlockTech. BlockTech is also same as Back Market, but with this, they do add more stuff to your order. You might even get an iPad, an Apple Watch, a charger, or any goodie. It's just a mystery box. You can buy from their mystery box or just shop from the iPhone. They even sell Androids, that's Samsung and other phones and other brands, but I think they mostly sell. So let's check this iPhone 11. They have chargers, iPads, and everything. So iPhone 11 Red 256 gigs is going for $400. And they have 4 interest-free installment plans if you are using their Shop Pay. Wow, another installment plan, and free delivery if you order within 2 weeks. Wow, and I think this is a fair idea, but this video is just to show you if you are buying online, just make sure, or if you are buying a used phone, just don't take it as if it's already new or it's legit. Or I'm not saying it's fake, but just bear it in mind there's something wrong or there's a touch about it. The phone has been replaced, parts or even a software problem has been fixed. That's why the price came down from the original price. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.